Did you know that there's absolutely no companies mining this very crucial and critical rare earth metal used in military applications on U.S. soil right now today? Today, I'm going to show you a company valued at a very small $8.5 million and plans on being the first mover in tungsten on U.S. soil within this new Trump era. And that's right, folks. That company is American Tungsten, building America's defense critical metals supply. You can find them by their stock ticker, DEMRF. So here's a little bit about American Tungsten. American Tungsten is a Canadian exploration company focused on advancing high-grade mineral properties. Its flagship asset, the IMA Mine Project in Idaho, USA, is a past-producing tungsten property with significant historical output. With an option to secure 100% ownership, American Tungsten is strategically positioned to capitalize the growing demand for critical minerals. The company also holds the Star Project in British Columbia's renowned Kenna Mining Division, an area known for rich mineral deposits. All right, guys, after a double and triple check the following startling fact, how in the world has the U.S. government allowed itself to be this ignorant of this risk and damages to its national security? Folks, there are no producing mines of a very critical and crucial rare earth metal on U.S. soil. It is 100% imported from other countries, and this particular rare earth metal is used for military applications. This is gross incompetence, in my opinion. How is it that the U.S. imports 27% of the supply of this metal from its only formidable enemy, China? Tungsten's unique characteristics make it indispensable in modern industrial, technological, and defense applications. Tungsten is used as a core material in armor-piercing shells and bullets. Let me repeat that. Tungsten is used as a core material in armor-piercing shells and bullets. Its density and hardness allow it to penetrate tank armor and reinforce structures effectively. Tungsten is used in some advanced composite armors for military vehicles due to its ability to absorb and dissipate kinetic energy. For decades, globalization has blinded politicians, and the Chinese have become the dominators of rare earth mineral mining. I believe that there's never been a better time to hold American-based tungsten stocks. American Tungsten, which could become the first, let me repeat that, American Tungsten, which could become the first tungsten producer on U.S. soil after decades of no mining whatsoever, is the sponsor of today's video. And I believe you must research it as soon as you can. There are many links in the description of this video for you to do your own due diligence, but they are left there for you to definitely check out. Lots of articles on American Tungsten, which is only worth $12 million. The United States faces a critical vulnerability in its dependence on China for rare earth minerals. How China achieved control of approximately 70% of the global rare earth production and 85 to 90% of the processing capacity, creating a strategic chokehold on the global supply chain, is beyond me. This dominance is not accidental. Over decades, China has strategically invested in mining, refining, and exporting rare earths while undercutting competitors with low costs, forcing many U.S. operations to shut down. The U.S. now only has one operational rare earth mine, Mountain Pass, California, and it relies on China for refining the ore into usable materials, a glaring weakness. It doesn't mine tungsten, though in a geopolitical crisis, China could weaponize this dominance as has signaled in the past. A sudden supply disruption would cripple U.S. industries, including defense contractors, dependent on REEs for the missile systems and jet engines and advanced electronics. Transitioning the domestic production is a slow and costly, leaving the U.S. highly exposed. This rare earth dependency risk becoming a national security crisis of unparalleled magnitudes. There are no producing tungsten mines on U.S. soil. American Tungsten seeks to become the first tungsten producer on U.S. soil. American Tungsten is advancing a significant North American past producing mine in a region with minimal environmental and regulatory barriers compared to overseas competitors. The company's flagship asset used to be the fifth largest operational tungsten mine in the USA. The company plans to put back into production, and what's incredible is that the market cap is just 12 million today, and the historical high-grade mine and drilling results when compared with other developers who are racing to be the first movers are such more compelling in IMA mine. I don't know if there's another mineral or metal so essential to the Department of Energy deems as critical. The U.S. produces none of it, importing it all by the buttload from China. I could be a shareholder of the first mover in mining of the U.S. Department of Energy classifies tungsten as a critical material, recognizing its strategic importance to national security, clean energy, and high-tech industries. Tungsten has the highest melting point of any metal, 3,422 degrees Celsius, and it's extremely dense and hard. These characteristics make it indispensable for applications that require high heat resistance, durability, and strength. Do your homework on American Tungsten. Right now, its market cap is only 12 million. All while there are other companies in the United States which have a realistic path to start production, as far as I know, faster than American Tungsten can think about the potential. Zero operational mines on U.S. soil, and China has already made bans on exports. The company will soon begin discussion to secure key strategic partnerships and non-dilutive financing with the U.S. Department of Defense and the U.S. Department of Energy. Peer companies are trading at the market caps exceeding 25 million. American Tungsten, in contrast, is just beginning its journey. Conduct your own due diligence. You know, I cannot say that enough doing videos like this, sponsored videos of a junior mining company, upcoming mining companies that are going to be drilling and mining these rare earth metals right here on U.S. soil. So I left links in the description for American Tungsten and some other news articles regarding mining right here on U.S. soil. So definitely check those out in the description. And if you are new to this channel and you made it this far, hey, I appreciate that. And if you're not new to this channel and you made it this far, I appreciate that. But if you are new, hit that subscribe button down below. Check out this video on your way out, and I will see you all on the next one. Thanks, everybody.